Hello everyone. Just wanted to show you something here. I just replaced two of my fluorescent lights with LED style tubes. This is them up there, and this is what they are. As you can see, they only pull 15 watts per tube, which means instead of those that pull 40 watts per tube, I'm only now pulling 15 watts, which means that fixture is now only pulling 30 watts of power instead of 80. Which means I just cut my power usage in more than a half. Just want to show you how nice and bright this is over here with these tubes. I only bought one pack because I wanted to see if they would work with these fixtures. These are all existing light fixtures. These two still have the old fluorescent tubes in them. And if you notice, how that one light over there is actually making that area brighter than this end where there's actually two fixtures. Like I said, these two are still running on the old tubes. I just bought one pack to see if they would work with my fixtures. I didn't have to do any modifying. The ballasts are still in there, or in these flight lights. These particular tubes are designed to be able to work, as you can see there. These ones work with the existing electronic T8 ballasts, but this is what they are. As you can see, they're 48-inch daylight. They have a soft white, which would be more like a regular light bulb. The soft white would be this color. As you can see, it's the yellowish light. That's the spirally fluorescent energy saver. You can see this. It's just 15 watt replacements. It has a life of 16 years. That's the lumens it puts out. When you buy them, if you don't want to have to want them to work with your ballast, you got to make sure it has this particular marking on it. You can see it's mercury-free, long life. And they're real easy to replace. You just take the old tubes out and put them in. And the reason why you want to make sure it has this marking on it is because they also have these tubes are also made in a way that they go into fixtures like those that don't have ballasts in them. And these lights here, they do make kits so you can take the ballasts out, but they have a feature in them that a lot of these fixtures like these is they have what's called like shunted plugs. They're these things on the end here where they clip into. They're inside. On the inside here, there's a piece that jumps the two pins that are in there to be able to send power down the tube. So if you want to go the route and replace the ballasts too, these don't even really get that hot either. But you would actually have to either take these apart, cut the shunt out of them, or you have to replace those. but I just wanted to share with you how great these tubes are. See, now I can't guarantee that these will work with all fixtures, because some fixtures have different specs. I mean, all the old fluorescent fixtures have ballast in them, but they work in different ways. But that's one of the reasons why I only bought one pack, to see if these would work in my fixture. And as you can see, they do. And as you can see, it's way brighter than what it was. And then that end over there with those tubes. I just thought that's interesting, and I just wanted to share that with you. So if you're someone that wants to be able to cut your power draw down, now you can. And this is the result of how nice and bright. And in fact, like I said, you can see that it's even brighter over there than it was with the old tubes. So if you have a question as to how good these tubes are, this is the result. I highly recommend them. And instead of the 80 watts that fixture was pulling, it is now only pulling 30 watts, because that 15 watts on there, that's 15 watts per tube. So I actually dropped my power usage in this fixture by 40 watts, which is going to save me some energy when I use the basement lights. But LEDs really are the wave of the future. I have regular bulbs in some of my other fixtures, and LED bulbs in some of my other fixtures. And I'm actually really pleased with how they look. And those ones there are what would be called the soft white, which gives you the yellowish color of a regular light bulb. But yeah, don't be afraid to buy these. I mean, they're great. And you'll save even more money, because you won't have to replace them as often as you do those other tubes. So I just wanted to show you this and let you know what I thought of them. God bless.